Hi, this is Eric Martin with Board Game Geek. I'm here with Shuya Min from Shepherd Kits. That's Each Jen from Taiwan Board Game Design. Looking at Numeracy Legends, which there is a trilogy of titles, which all have different flavors and different play styles, different games in here. But they all form a trilogy together. Yeah, we can talk about gameplay.
Yeah, so Numeracy Legends is a series of math and logic learning games, which is fantasy-based stories. And there are 3 different games, so kind of like children can build up their logic skills throughout the games. So these 3 games have total different gameplay, different stories. So in the first game, what you do, your mission is to collect all these food ingredients to make cupcakes.
Okay.
So it's a kind of a route planning, very simple route planning and resource allocation game, where the resource is these transportation modes and these tokens. Every time a player passes a path, you have to collect these, you have to spend these transportation tokens to pass.
Right.
Yeah, so for example, passing this path, it requires a unicorn and a griffin. Okay. And you collect these ingredients throughout the game, and then you have to end up at the magic circle to win. So yeah, so very young children as young as 4 years old can play and can learn.
Okay. Did you show the unicorns?
Yeah, we have a unicorn here in the game.
Okay. So you love to sort of
okay, no problem. So the second game here is the Zerda Fox. You see the fox is here, and the story is that after the first game, you created a lot of cupcakes. So each player actually has 15 of them. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pass through the desert, and you wanna deliver the cupcakes to the Zerda Fox.
Okay.
Yeah. So on your way, what happens is each color of the circles, you flip a card, and there are monsters eating these cupcakes. So it's kind of a card counting game, which because some of the monsters, they eat a lot. Like for example, each level they eat maybe from 1 to 4. And
you pay attention to what colors have been bad or good.
Yes.
Make sure you go
and the cards rotate, and also there's ice cream, which corresponds to certain colors for use, and these ice creams have permanent use. So remember to use them when you meet this monster. So you kind of have to remember how it goes on.
Okay. And the last one, the third one.
Yeah, then the last one is called the Gluttony Dragon.
Yes.
So in this game, it's a 1 versus all competition game. Yeah. So the interesting about this is a lot of times children's kids play the heroes team. This is the heroes team. There are a couple of heroes here. Fluffy,